Oh fuck.
Планировка, конечно. Я там был уже.
Пиздец.
Давай, я тебе посмотрю. Okay.
Good
This
morning.
is our studio. Little excursion.
It was not that big when I was here later. Shit.
Marco.
Hi.
Oh fuck.
Привет.
This is
This
This is Ricky. Ricky the rabbit. Yeah.
You should have a rabbit too. We need a pet.
This is our awards.
Those are a lot of awards.
So ladies over
We
there.
have plenty of awards. This is our room with Fedor.
You and Fedor work in here?
Yeah, this is our working main, the center office. Also some awards.
Yeah.
A lot of awards.
I like your posters on the wall. We get these posters and we have to frame them. We need to frame our posters.
Is that your spoiler?
Yeah.
You got 100,000.
Yeah.
We're close.
We're getting there.
What do you got at the minute?
150?
150. Yeah. I think we're like 86 or something. So we need to post more videos. We have so many videos not finished.
Yeah. This is Fedor's Eric's. Hey. Look.
It's just chilling there, yeah.
Yeah. No. No.
Alright, I think that doesn't see it well.
Да. Артём.
Is it?
Да, я знаю.
Thieves.
Диана дала.
Nice to
Я
watch.
сейчас
Thieves.
I gave away.
Спасибо.
So this is like an example of his work. Left screen is where cars meet. Right screen is architecture.
As usual,
I
yeah.
like it like this.
This is also very cool awards in architectural competitions. We have them so much, so we use them like stuff to put Lego. I'll show you something more.
Oh, I want to see your Lego cars.
Hmm?
I want to see your Lego cars.
Yeah.
Does he have a lot of Lego cars?
Yeah, stick together.
Not all of them are here, but
It's on the left. Do you see? Camera?
the main one.
Next one? This?
The camera, what is it?
They're Fiji films.
Oh.
This is we have a Lego collection. Small one. We
I've
have,
seen those in the line, yeah. Those are cool.
They're awesome.
and this is we have Lego architecture collection.
What's this? Does the steering wheel work?
Yeah.
Everything?
And also like gear shift.
Oh shit.
And
And
it's-
suspension works?
Yeah. It works like. It's really changing the gear.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. You should be rich enough to buy this bag.
Crazy.
Yeah, suspension work and like
Steering also
Steering
works,
wheel,
yeah.
everything.
Oh shit.
These are architecture. Do you design office spaces or full buildings or?
yes, we design a lot of things. I'll show you a bit later what we're doing. Here we have the kitchen
What is
and
it?
Lego architecture.
Is it mega penis?
And we have one, one more place where everybody works.
Oh shit.
A lot of talking in there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's architectural office. We have a kitchen and a toilet if you need.
Cool.
Adam, you need a toilet. It's over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the toilet, yeah.
Two doors. Two large doors. This and the next one. Both of them.
It was not that big when I was last time here.
Yes. We're becoming bigger. bigger.
You had like one room or something and
Yeah,
that's
we have
it?
one room, now we have all this space.
Shit.
Ну как тебе, Маркуш?
I'm so proud of you, Boris.
And here, look, we received some books from China with boutique hostels and hotels all over the world, and we have like our work here. These 2 hour projects. This is like. And this is the from the Rare Wingo.
Yeah,
RSK3.
I remember. That's awesome.
Oh.
You saw Eric.
Oh.
It is so cool and so wide.
Guys.
Труселя надо посушить.
Did you not see it before?
No.
Да, хочет. Now you officially pimped.
What is this stamp for?
This is for documents like
James?
like James.
I just bought you. You must leave now.
I didn't give it the passport.
Hello.
Say hello.
I'm putting some voice here.
What's up, Doc?
Give me all your followers.
Where's the trigger? 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 You found it?
Yeah.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
I can't talk him on the field.
Pass. Oh.
Shoot. Now follow me. Come on. First time for the laptop.
Я бы, кстати, развал съебался на том колесе.
Немножко съебался, но в большую сторону.
Да.
Давай. Жопу еще.
How do you find it?
I like it.
А ты можешь бахнуть выхлопом?
Надо прогреть немного. Ездить не будет, да?
It's
Ну, может, что, pipe?
It shuts.
it shuts with fire.
Yeah, shit's fine.
Like every master should.
Like maybe a meter long.
Немножко это самое, grilled vegetables.
На Петрогу. На Петрогу. На Петрогу. Вы все пидоры. Вставьте это в видео.
Side skirt.
Why you speak Polish?
Пока.
Я же передумал ее продавать.
Продал?
Да, я хотел ее продать в конце года. Что-то меня так зашла, но я передумал. Я починил, сейчас арочки починил.
Do you know what shotgun means, Mark?
Shotgun?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it means that he is on the first. You know how to make a burnout on the thing? I don't.
This is comfortable.
Yes.
Really nice car, James.
At least no.
It's a friendly car.
Yes. Mark, do you love this car? Huh? I like it.
The headroom is the best.
It's like a family wagon. Nice.
For those more like.
We need a convertible.
It's pretty comfy in here, isn't it?
They should have bought the convertible.
Why nice? You can move to Mark. Yeah.
Mark, you want me to move back?
He has a lot of space.
No, no.
Put it. You like BMW?
Yes.
We'll continue our journey. Sport Plus. Sport Plus is on.
We're in the safe zone right now.
So apparently stance is illegal in St. Petersburg at the minute, so around that corner back there is where there's lots of police normally sit. So the guys are pretty happy there was no police. Yeah, because like, yeah, we're pretty much in the Batmobile right now, like, of St. Petersburg.
Here? No, nothing here. Woo! We're champions.
You made it without
Look how high it becomes when you get out of the car.
James, this is wet.
What?
This is wet.
The fun part begins.
Yeah, so we had Frank's, ribs, rolls, and bar. I think Mark took the last word to heart because he hasn't drank since November, and this is his second Guinness. He may not have chose to drink the second Guinness. I may have bought it for him, but
In this drink, right? You have to get from here in between these.
and you know, of course, if you ever choose someone like this, it's rude
I paid for
not to
it.
drink straight away. See, look what he say.
Bullshit.
Mark.
Boom!
Ah.
Music.
Let's do it, Mark. Come on. Hey guys, what the fuck are you doing?
Here, there's only one more. I'll get it.
Mark,
With the mint?
are you feeling good?
Mark, these glasses don't do anything.
With the mint?
Привет.
In this episode, Adam wear glasses. Mark got drunk. And James.
That's a lot of cocktail sticks.
Do you like our descriptions on YouTube?
Yeah, like a Top Gear.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Mark, how are you? Oh Jesus.
I think LCM should sign off our vlog today. So you guys go ahead. We'll stand in the background.
Okay.
What's
Hi,
up,
hi,
what's up, guys?
Not so nice.
We're LCM crew from St. Petersburg, Russia, and we love LBTV. Woo!
Dabbing's not cool anymore, apparently.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got told. We like, you know,
What's that? What's that girl?
dabbing. You're not allowed to dab.
Yeah, no, you know, but
And what we should do now?
You should just go like this.
Ah, yeah. Ah,
That's not cool anymore.
that's
Either.
not-
That's
yeah.
not cool anymore. Either.
Yeah.
What's cool? Just like this here.
Ah, dude.
That's not cool.
Let's go like 20 years
That's
ago.
not, that's not cool.
Yeah.
Uh,
Fuck. hit likes, hit subscribes, and like this fucking bell.
Привет. Pijamy drug. Pijamy drug. Da.
Yeah, it's home time. It's home time.
Pijamy drug.
Pijany druk means drunk friend.
Drunk friend.